This is Rick, the car ship guy. You guys see my website here. Got another quote that just came in here. This one's going from Clinton, Tennessee to Louisville, Kentucky. Basically from Chattanooga to Bowling Green. Chattanooga, Tennessee to Bowling Green. The gentleman is shipping a 2012 Dodge Charger. He asked me to look up a price for him. So go ahead and direct to trucker pricing. What is it? 262 miles for 300, 325, 300. So this guy's going to get this vehicle shipped for 300 bucks, guys. That's about 250 miles for 300 bucks. Much cheaper than anybody towing the vehicle. Like a tow truck will probably charge you about $800-900 for this route. So much cheaper than that. This vehicle runs and drives, and the gentleman went to my website. The only guy that calls you is me. The only guy who handles everything is me. And what happens is I post to Central Dispatch, which is this website right here that is direct to trucker pricing. And you just fill in these steps here, 1, 2, 3 steps, your pickup, your drop off, vehicle details, make, model, does it run, drive, and submit that. It'll go right to me, and I'll have a quote like this to you within 24 hours. And you can see this is exactly what the trucker gets paid. So you pay me $25 to post this, which I advertise right here, $25 to post this to the load board, and you pay the trucker directly. That's it. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're trying to ship a vehicle from Chattanooga, Tennessee to Bowling Green, Kentucky, this is for you.